Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, January 13. Just over 3,230 persons have found jobs under Phase 3 of the Jamaica Emergency Employment Program JEEP. So far, over $600 million has been spent to implement projects under Phase 3 of JEEP, which is in its final stage of completion. Senior Communications Officer at the National Works Agency, Colin Morrison, told the JIS News that this stage involved the patching of roads, cleaning of drains and construction of sidewalks.
Over 200 projects were implemented during Phase 3 of this program. Phase 3 commenced in March 2014 and is close to completion. The majority of these projects are over 96% complete. Each constituency was allocated $10 million to be used mainly for road infrastructure improvement works.
JEEP is one of government strategies to counter unemployment among some Jamaicans, particularly those in the lower socio-economic groups. The fourth phase began in October 2014. Jamaica is expected to further improve its international business ranking as a result of ongoing initiatives by government to improve the investment climate. Over the next 12 to 24 months, a number of initiatives will be undertaken, including the establishment of an online platform for the registration of companies and a 90-day approval process for development applications.
Establishment of the port community system, the customs management system Asikuda World, the trade facilitation single window and e-trade, which is a government online trade facilitation system.
Minister Hilton added that the National Competitiveness Council would continue to coordinate the business reform agenda to boost Jamaica's competitiveness. Last year, Jamaica moved up 8 places on the World Economic Forum's Global Competitiveness Report, ranking 86 out of 144 countries. The minister was speaking recently at the launch of the Mona School of Business and Management's inaugural conference in Montego Bay. He used the forum to push for a closer working relationship between government and academia. Human rights advocate Arlene Harrison Henry has been appointed as the new public defender and will begin duties on Monday, January 19. Governor General Sir Patrick Allen made the announcement on Monday in accordance with the Public Defender Interim Act of 2000. A release from King's House said Mrs. Harrison Henry, who served as president of the Jamaican Bar Association, was called to the bar in 1978 and was employed in the public service until 1983. She has served as Assistant Crown Counsel in the Attorney General's chambers and later established her private practice where she gained the reputation of a human rights activist. Mrs. Harrison Henry was also elected president of the Independent Jamaican Council for Human Rights in April 2006. She will be sworn into office at a ceremony at King's House on Friday, January 16. The Governor General has expressed appreciation to former public defender Earl Witter, who retired in April, and Matunda Makula, who has since been acting in the position. 20 early childhood institutions in Clarendon are now benefiting from the distribution of 100 tablet computers. The donation, which supports the government's Tablets in Schools project, was made by the Digital Foundation under its Project 1000 initiative. The aim is to increase the use of information and communication technology in the teaching and learning process.
I'm happy to say that we're about halfway to our target of 1,000 schools, and what I can promise is that we look forward to working with the ECC to meeting that target to see how we can offer these tablets to more early childhood institutions.
And finally, government is receiving high praises for its work in preserving and encouraging religious freedom in Jamaica. A senior official of the Seventh-day Adventist Church, Nigel Cook, says it makes Jamaica one of the most tolerant societies in the world where religion is concerned. He was speaking recently at the official launch of the Festival of Religious Freedom. The festival, which is the first such event to be held in Jamaica, is being spearheaded by the SDA Church in collaboration with the International Religious Liberty Association, the Jamaica Umbrella Group of Churches, and other religious groups. It will take place at the National Arena on Saturday, January 24 from 8:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m.
To raise the awareness of the need to be vigilant in guarding our current freedom of religion and worship, as freedom of religion or belief is also intimately intertwined with other freedoms, including freedom of expression, association, and assembly.
The festival is being held under the theme, Or Right or Freedom, Let's Celebrate. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.